Holy crap. Look at that fish. He's bigger than the scale. He's over 36 inches. Big snook. Big fish. Oh boy. Big fish. Holy moly. Look at him. Ooh. That's a 30 to 40 incher. Holy crap. Look at this guy. Ooh. Oh, he's going under the boat. Oh. There he is. Come on. I didn't get away from the... Holy crap. Big snook. Big snook. Holy moly. Look at this monster. Good. Try to jerk him back towards the mangroves so he goes the opposite direction, gets me out into open water. Then he can fight wherever he wants. Look at that. Uh-oh. We're gonna try to get him away from those pylons. See if we can get him out in the center a little bit more. Oh, he definitely doesn't want to. Look at that. Shut it again. Oh boy. Whew. Man, sorry I didn't have my head cam on today. Monster snook. I hope he doesn't singe through my line. Let's see if we can get this guy. Oh, he's not ready yet. Nope. I really need him not to go that direction. He's really trying to get into cover. He's trying his best. See if we can get him back out over this way. Not go in those pylons. Oof. Oof. I definitely don't want to go back in the mangroves. Alright. Oh man, I was hoping he was ready. He's not. He's definitely not. We gotta turn while we can. Oh, he's ready. Almost. Maybe not. This guy's massive. Holy crap. He's done. He's wrapped in the line though. This is bad. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Yeah, come on, buddy. Look at that. Look at that snook. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oof, baby. You are a beast. A beast of a fish. All right. Let's get him up. If I can. I don't even know if I can. I don't even know if I can lip this guy. I don't think I want to. All right. Monster snook. We're gonna get the bait out of him first. This is a big snook. Holy crap. Big snook. This is a PB right here. Let's see. Oh, now. Oh, finally. Vudu shrimp, baby. That's what we're talking about. Give him a little bit more air. Look at this. Look at this freaking snook. Look at this snook. It's almost ready to go too. I'm gonna try to get a measurement in the water. I don't really want to pull him out of the water if I can help it. All right, so we're gonna set this here. Holy crap. Look at that fish. He's bigger than the scale. He's over 36 inches. Holy moly. All right. Look at that. We're gonna see if we can do it with this camera. I'm at its tail as high as I can. Look at that. I'm gonna float up to the top, buddy. Tail to head. That's a 35-inch ruler. Sorry. It was bad. And we got to get one for the phone. Holy moly. Monster fish. We're gonna let this guy go. He's about ready. Look at that fish. Frickin' beast of a fish. He's ready. And take off the lip grip. There he goes. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Thanks for watching more approved. Holy crap. I know we're not going to catch another one of those today. So out on the Pelican Catch 130 HD, I would not have been able to land that fish with anything else, realistically. Throwing the Vudu Shrimp today, white, is the only thing that I was really getting hits on. I did have a hit on a Johnson Sprite 3/4 ounce spoon, but the Snook were really just crushing that Vudu Shrimp. Definitely pick some of those up. They're freaking amazing. That's my personal best. He was bigger than the ruler. The ruler's 36 inches long. I mean, awesome, awesome fish. Had to have been at least a 40-incher or darn close to 40 inches. He was a couple inches longer than the ruler, so let's say 38. But beautiful, beautiful fish. And definitely check out those Vudu Shrimp. I will leave a link down in the description box. I didn't even do an intro today because I wasn't even sure if I was gonna catch anything or if it was worthwhile. I just wanted to get out, have some fun, and that's what we got. So, also with the gear, using the Daiwa, as you can see, everything's all tangled up. Got to fix that. But Daiwa did great, and I was also using this guy right here, Vudu Shrimp. They're freaking amazing. Look at that hook. That hook is bent beyond all belief. Landed that beautiful fish. Oh, good fishing. Guys, comment down below. Share some pictures. Share some videos of nice snook that you've caught in the past and what you guys like to use for snook. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching More Approved. Until next time, see you then.